Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie, and today I am sharing with you my SCT Sampler Kit for the month of February. Yes, I know I'm late. I just have so much going on, I just didn't get to it. And better late than never, right? So the card from the kit has the quote, "Make today so awesome, yesterday gets jealous." They provided us with an acrylic today and 2 acrylic heart pieces. We also received a heart stencil from SCT. It's really cute. And we have from Photo Play Papers, Love Letters collection. So we got some paper, some Color Me cut aparts, and some ephemera embellishments. So here are the Color Me pieces. Got these 2 3x4 cards. They're super cute. You know I'm going to be making more Valentine's cards. Here are the ephemera pieces and the 6x6 papers. This one's got kind of a swirly pattern. Backside is this really pretty floral. Aren't these little birds adorable? So cute. And then hearts on that side. Some love potion. And it says, "Be my Valentine" on the back. Looks like hearts as flowers. And then a stripe. And then some mailboxes. And a plaid. We also received from Close to My Heart these black ephemera pieces with the white, very pretty, and then this just plain black. I don't think I'm going to use these this month either. I just don't have the time, so this will also go into my stash. The second collection we received is from Pink Fresh Studio, Let's Stay Home. We received some of the stickers, and this is really in keeping, I guess, with the idea that many of us are staying home because of COVID. Just some ephemera pieces. I am sort of planning on doing a mini album about COVID. I am not ready to start working on it quite yet. I have been documenting and journaling and stuff, but it really just, you know, you live with it day in and day out. It's just really not something I want to scrapbook yet at this point. But I do want to do something. So I don't think I'm going to use these this month. I think this is just going to go in my kit of stuff that I have assembled for that project. So you won't be seeing this anytime soon. Okay, so we also got some enamel dots, which I showed you. And here are the 6x6 papers. It's a really pretty blue. Oh, that's a fun piece of paper. And there's a little bit of purple. That's kind of shocking. More of that blue and geometric. I love Pink Fresh. It's they're one of my favorite manufacturers. I love their geometric component to it. I just think they are really fresh. Houses. Stripes, and then circles. Okay, so let me put together some Valentine's cards and I will be back to show you those. Okay, so I used both the Photo Play paper and the Close to My Heart. Even though I said I wasn't going to, I did not touch the Pink Fresh because, like I said, I'm going to save that for my album or my book or journal I'm going to do about COVID-19. This is all I have left of the Close to My Heart. And this is all I have left of the Photo Play paper. I'd say I killed that collection. Okay, so let me show you what I did. So using the Photo Play paper, I just did some really simple cards. Again, just layering the embellishments. Now this one here, I actually used the stencil. Yay me for actually using the tool. And some transfer gel from Deco Foil, and then I foiled the hearts. That was kind of fun. This is the Color Me card. I colored it with Copic markers and added some Spectrum glitter, kind of like Wink of Stella. I can't remember what the name of it is. Here's another simple card, just the 3x4 card on top of a panel of cardstock. Here's more of that foiled heart pattern with the stencil. Here's the other Color Me card. And some more of that foiled hearts. And that was that. And then I took the Close to My Heart and I went to my card bases and I combined the two to come up with these cards. Now some of them still need a little something, like this one for instance. This is a wedding card. I had some wedding paper left over and I thought this floral piece looked really great on here. I'd like to put a banner or something on here that just says like congrats. So this still needs a little bit of TLC and we'll go back into that bin. I was on kind of a wedding kick, I guess. The black just really popped off of these bases that I had done for wedding cards. This one I probably wouldn't do anything else with. I would just rely on the words in the pattern paper to basically indicate it's a wedding card. More wedding themed. This is a piece of vellum that I had in my stash from forever ago, and I basically just added the circle and some puffy stickers. Here's another one that's exactly the same. I haven't been to a ton of weddings recently, but you know, my nephews and nieces are starting to get older, so I'm sure I will enter into that season once again. This here was made from scraps from Felicity Jane kits from the branding strips, and I just added this pink band also from the branding strips and then the big butterfly, and the sentiment across here basically says brighter days ahead, blue skies and brighter days ahead. So kind of a encouragement card. This was using scraps from Jelly Bean Soup, just a simple hello card. I probably won't do anything else to that. The paper's already pretty busy. This was using a Pink Fresh collection, Let Your Heart Decide, I believe. And all I did was just add the sentiment. I had been experimenting with my Go Press and foil machine, and so I had some of these panels already done. And I thought it would be kind of fun to add this butterfly, seeing as there are butterflies in the background. And I just kind of gave it a strip of cardstock as a landing strip, so to speak. This is a Project Life card, and this was a pre-purchased card base. I think I bought these from Hobby Lobby. Yeah, they're Paper Studio cards. And then the last card is another birthday card, and I just added a few enamel dots, and this one is done. So that is everything for the 2021 SCT Sampler Kit. I hope you enjoyed and realize that it really doesn't take much to make a bunch of cards. Thanks again for joining me, and until next time, happy crafting.